Then ngiyasho ke I'm talking to this group, to this spirit which is in here. Ngikhuluma nawe inyoka ehlala emanzini ngithi namhlanje uzohlala esigubhini lesi. Awulali nomnini wakho. Awulali nezingane zakhe. Awummosheli izinto. Awuyenze iphume endleleni. Uzomsebenzela, uzomphakamisa, uzomvula inhlanhla zakhe nako ukuthi impilo yakhe kuphakame. Thokozani sanibonani dumelang apsheni hello lo bulisayo Inyanga yompedi mkhuloti. Hello guys. I'm greeting you in the name of the Lord, in the name of God, in the name of anything that you believe in the name of life itself. I'm greeting you all the way from Johannesburg South in South Africa, the southern country which is in Africa. Listen to me very carefully. Today I'm going to talk about a topic which says isgubhu, a container, a bottle. What is the motive behind isgubhu? Mukula, how can isgubhu merely have powers to change my life? How can just a thing like this change my life? What is the main motive behind this thing? What is the main true story behind this thing? Listen to me very carefully. Isgubhu is a container of which has powers to contain many different types of spirits. Many different types of spirits can gather in one isgubhu to change your life, to make your life a better something. Listen to me very carefully. Isgubhu has serious powers which can mainly make your life to become a better something today, even in the next future. Okay, Mukulu, does this group on its own? Can I merely take this, then afterwards and place this in my house or in my wardrobe, then my life will just change like that? No, my dear. Sitinga, sibe different types of herbs, of which you can mainly see just here near me. Do you see these herbs? These are many different things of which we use for what? To create isgubhu. Isgubhu is just the names and container is this container. But the thing of which, the main thing, the main motive, the thing which works here is this thing which stays inside this thing. What happens here? Gineso lehashi. Iso lehashi. What can I say? How can I really put this? Gine light ihashi. Lento le ifika ivele ihashi la. Then afterwards, lento le ifika ihashi malizala, lento ivela la. Umiphuma kwinto around. Then afterwards, lento le ifika ingene emanzini ibaleke. Mthetha kungena emanzini. Mifike emanzini, this thing automatically changes to a what? To a river god or to a river snake. I don't know if you're using it. The snake which lives in the river, they are mainly from this thing. That's why you'll mainly see that even in American movies, you'll see that they'll say sea kings or river kings. You'll mainly see a snake having a head of an horse, then here it will become a snake, you get pants. That thing lies here. Lento le ifika ivele ihashila umalizala. Then ihashila ayidla. Uma lengayidla into yabalekile emfuleni. Mifike emfuleni ifika iphenduke inyoka. Okay. Then lana ke Inyanga yompedi mkhuloti usuke wakha isgubhu esinjani? That's a very good question to ask. La ngisuke ngiakha isgubhu esiyinyoka, inyoka ehlala esigubhini. I don't know if you're ngizokuthinini. Angithi in African, in manje we have been learned, we know different things, so different types of things. So la ngisuke ngivusa inyoka. Ehlala kuphi? Ehlala esigubhini. So le nyoka le ekwazi ukuthi iphile kuwe. Then la ngine veil. Le veil le kuyazi mina ukuthi veil yani. Angeze ngikhuluma into eningi. Kuyazi mina ukuthi le veil le iveil yani. I won't even say ukuthi veil yani le. Kuyazi mina. Githari. Then lana nginosigidi. They usually say that it's mercury from a mining. Mkulu, why do you have things a sand, just simple sand from a mine can make you to have money? Yes, my dear. Why do you use the same mine? I use the same mine mainly because of into same mine zenza ukuthi imali bekhona. Because of where mine is, there is diamond. Where mine is, there is gold. Where mine is, there is coal. Where mine is, there are many things. Many different things of which I can mainly count. Isgubhu. Okay? Then lana ginesimemo sedlozi. Ginesimemo sedlozi and many other different types of herbs that I mainly use to make isgubhu. Makhosi. Then lana ke le moriana o ba reng ke hloka tsela o sebeletse nna. Hloka tsela o sebeletse nna. Ke e kopantswe mo le bozamlandela le ba moromella le dipheko tse ngata tse leng teng tse ka se ka bega di bua e leng mo ke meriana fela ya chelete. Imithi engene esigubhini imithi eyani eyemali. Lento le miso then emva kwalokho ngiyifaka yini ngiyifaka imithi okuthiwa amavuka. So automatically ngifaka lento le ngigayile ngifaka kuphi ngifaka la. Mangiqeda ukuyifaka la ngithatha lana ngifaka kuphi ngifaka la. Okay, go forward mkhulu. Then ngithatha imercury. You umuseka you mainly see this as if it's a simple thing. This is not a simple thing. Yanyuwala. Making one isgubhu can cost you to have maybe 800 different herbs of which you mainly use. Here I'm just showing you how do we normally make isgubhu and how does one do ukuthi isgubhu sibe namandla. I'm just showing you in contrast this theory, guys. Then ngiyafaka la. Oh makhosi. Ngiyafaka la. Isgubhu guys so important. Mina as a healer nginyanga yompe isgubhu sami sidla igazi. Zidla igazi igubhu zami and zidla igazi azidli ingane zami azidli bafazi bami azidli bazali bami. Angithi mina I'm responsible. Ungathi uma uye enyangeni inyanga ithi kuwe isgubhu lesidla igazi bese wena uyavuma. Why kwamele uvume? Ungavumi. If you know that you are an irresponsible person, ungavumi. La ngikhuluma ngabantu abayirresponsible. Uma uresponsible, make sure uthatha isgubhu esidla igazi because sasichaza ukwenza ukuthi ube nemali ngendlela esimanga. Unlike igubhu ezingadla igazi. Ziyasebenza nazo kakhulu, but lesidla igazi strong kakhulu. But asifuni umuntu o-careless or reckless, umuntu owenza into ezi-wrong, no. Because of mina igubhu zami number 1 asifuni ukuthi ngifebe. So wena if ufebe uzozibona. Mina ngindoda umfazi oyi-1. I'm a one man woman. Angazi ukuthi ngikhuluma kanjani bathini wena leyo. I'm a one man. What to hold you. So ngale ndlela ekuyo guys. Ipino egelebezi. Ipina tsana konza ona sambane roll. Okay, your isgubhu sakho is almost finished. This is the motive behind isgubhu. Isgubhu, the thing which works is something of which is inside. It's not this container. You can buy these containers wherever you want to in your house. But the thing which works is this container. Langiswe ngiyakha isgubhu sani, isgubhu senyoka, inyoka ehlala esgubhini. Don't tell you these things. Then isgubhu lesi, I can mainly do isgubhu lesi for wena. Uma ugude, you call me then mkhulu, bengicela ungenzele isgubhu, ngisofika lapho ngomhla ka-24 zika June. Why? Ngisho kanjalo. Mina sengenza igubhu ezi ready made. Because of the people of which are coming from Cape Town, then when they come to me, I cannot give you isgubhu same time. But if you have sent me, maybe for example, ufuna isgubhu sika 50,000 because of this one, isgubhu sika 50,000 this one. As you see in Palendlovula, I want to make an example for you. How do I recognize igubhu zabantu? Okay. Then afterwards, I do like this. I write here 50,000. 50,000. Then I write the date of which you spoke to me about. June. 23 June. For example, 2022. Then I write paid. By the time you come, you ask me now, how do I delete this thing? How do I remove this? So isgubhu sakho, I normally, this is a ready-made isgubhu. When you put your deposit, use Cape Town, uthi mkhulu ngifuna isgubhu, I'll come on the 2nd of February. Then afterwards, I prepare isgubhu, mina for wena. Ngihambe ngiyosinika amandla enkosini. Then by the time you come, uza isgubhu sakho sesi-ready. Hayi ukuthi umufika la, I'll say to you, ngicela ubuyele emuva, uhlale 14 days. Then afterwards, you'll come back again. Tell me, from Cape Town, uzobuyele emuva, futhi after 14 days, you see that it's time consuming. Being it time consuming, still iyakhathaza lento leyo. So what do? You pay your deposit, then afterwards I do isgubhu for wena. Then by the time uza ngikuxhumanisana nesigubhu sakho sesigcwele amandla. Then for isgubhu sika 50,000 mkhulu, what do? Okay, I'm using olive oil. Because of this thing is isigubhu satheko eudimo. It's not just isigubhu esingenamsebenzi. Then le olive oil la qala ngiyayifudumeza qala angiyifaki iso. This is just for camera base. Angithi guys, programs and stuff. Then I do this. I hope you can see me very carefully, very well from Makai. This is how I make isgubhu senyoka ehlala okhkhambeni. Le nyoka le iyakulwela, iyakuphakamela, ikwenzela izinto of which you can never even imagine in life. You can never even believe. Trust me, you. Just listen to me very carefully. Le nyoka le does serious miracles of which you can never even believe. Can you see? By the time I'm mixing isgubhu well, I will never share the importance and the secrecy behind isgubhu here on social media from A up until Z. But I hope you can mainly have an understanding what does this container do. This container is for people of which they have businesses, for people of which they want tenders, for people of which they want their businesses to run. This is the work of this isgubhu. Isgubhu for money, isgubhu for life. Inyoka ehlala isgubhini. This one doesn't eat your family. No, it doesn't eat your family. What you do, I'll mainly tell you what to do by the time you have taken this isgubhu from Inyanga yombedi mkhulu. Okay? Then afterwards, I'm taking alcohol. I hope each and everyone is aware that whenever a person is drunk, they do things in an extra way. You can admit on that. You can believe me when I say that. You can even attach to that. Whenever a person is drunk, he does a thing more than 10 times. Okay? Then I put my alcohol. Then I'm talking to this group, to this spirit which is in here. Yukhuluma nawe inyoka ehlala emanzini. Ngithi namhlanje uzohlala esigubhini lesi. Awulali nomnini wakho. Awulali nezingane zakhe. Awumosheli izinto. Awuyenze iphume endleleni. Uzomsebenzela, uzomphakamisa, uzomvula inhlanhla zakhe nako ukuthi impilo yakhe kuphakama. Ngiyakuphusisa ke manje ukuthi dakwa uphuze indoda yamadoda. Uvuke la unamandla khehla lamakhehla. Uvuke la uphakeme ngendlela enamandla. Enamandla ngendlela esimanga. Yebo ngithi phuza ndoda ukwazi ube namandla. Okay. Then afterwards, my isgubhu is already on a finishing point. Not forgetting something. I don't know how can I mainly do this. I forgot to take something here. I was mainly forgetting to take this to mainly take this rope, of which I wanna illustrate something to you all guys. Why igubhu zenu zingasebenzi? It is mainly because of wherever you place igubhu zenu kungena abantu abahave isex. Then isigubhu sakho sifika sisindwe. Uma lesigubhu lesisindwa abantu abahave sex asisebenzi. That's one of the implications of because isigubhu. Isigubhu once kwangena abantu abathe asisebenzi agandeka. So we need a rope like this to cover this isigubhu lesi. But le rope le uma siyicover ngidinga something insila yakho yangaphansi uma uyindoda noma uma umfazi. Then usicover kaso. I don't know if you're with me. I just don't know. But I hope you'll hear. The wise will hear the words from Kulot. Then whenever uma ile ntambo lezihleliso isigubhini sakho, isigubhu sakho will definitely work. And I'm urging you guys, ukuthi wena umuntu ongenasigubhu onebusiness, wena umuntu ongenasigubhu osebenzayo, wena umuntu ofuna ukuphakama, please try by all means uthole isigubhu sakho. Lesigubhu lesi sami lesi is 50,000 rand. I-deposit yakhona, of which lesigubhu lesi 100,000. Lesigubhu lesi sami lezi maziso, they are mainly from 35,000. This one is isigubhu senyoka ehlala esigubhini. I have just shown you how do I do it. Then after uma lesigubhu lesi sesiso, ngiyasithatha. Uma ngisithatha, ngisisa enkosini esizibeni sani senkanyamba. Then ngiyenzani? Ngisibeka lapho. Uma ngisibeke lapho, la kunenkanyamba khona, inkanyamba is a snake guys. I hope you all know. Inkanyamba kune snake. La kune snake la kune inkanyamba khona. Le inkanyamba leya ifaka le inkanyamba le ngala of which is this. Ukuze enzeni iphakame ibe nani ibe namandla bese yavuka le ngalana ke bese ihlala ngala. It doesn't sleep with your wife, it doesn't sleep with anyone. Mina Nyanga ngisilayele. Then afterwards, each and every month end, you pour olive oil inside, you pour alcohol. Then whenever you buy money, you buy cars. Whenever you have money, you buy cars, you buy houses, you buy nice clothes. You'll never see Mkuloti wearing reckless clothes, some kind of useless clothes. No, you'll never. I'm always on top notch. If you can really see me, even the cars of which I mainly have to drive, because of they want nice things. I'll buy you nice cars, I'll buy you nice clothes, I'll buy you each and everything in nice. Why do you say that? It's because of let's go places la ngizokucaba ngaso. Then le ndoda lela ihlala kuwena ngaphakathi. Uma linda lehleli ngikuwena ngaphakathi, lezi zinto lezo sithengayo uyazigcoka wena, ugcoka bani ugcoka yena. Le moto zozidriver uyazidriver but izigabani ezakhe, because of he's the main person that is doing ukuthi imoto lezize. He's the main person that is making your business to rise up. He's the main person that is making your companies to flourish, your companies to be you understand, your companies to become, so I don't know, to flow like a river Jordan. I don't know if I'm trying to. So you will tell him, I'll buy you cars, I'll buy you clothes, I'll buy you big houses, I'll buy you big plots. That's why they normally work. Unami, makai. That's why you see Inyanga sigcoka impahla ezinhle, sidrive imoto ezinhle, zenza ini. Normal sangoma of which ungathola isigubhu sika 5,000, uzomthola faka ijini. You'll never see Inyanga yompedi mkhulu uthi faka ijini. You'll never see that. Why? It's because of nginyanga esebenza ngamadoda nangamadlozi. Angisebenzi ngedlozi kuphela. I'll repeat this again. Nginyanga esebenza ngamadoda nangamadlozi. Angisebenzi ngani ngedlozi kuphela. A normal sangoma can wear jeans, and a normal sangoma can go to taverns and dance and what and what. But inyanga esebenza ngamadoda aye ema-tavern, ayenze iphume endleleni. Imina loyo. Lobo nganyanga yompedi mkhulu uthi wena sangoma, wena mprofeti, wena mfundisi, ngithinte ngizokwenza impilo yakho ukuthi ibe ngcono bakhosi.